This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about deli papers, specifically these great 12-inch deli or sandwich wrapping papers. They come in 13 designs and they allow you to add some charming, whimsical fun to your food, right? So whatever you're doing, whether it's running a coffee shop, a taco stand, a bakery, if you're selling burgers, hot dogs, sandwiches, whether that's in an actual storefront or say a food truck or a food cart, these are a great way to add some whimsical charm and put that finishing touch on your food to make it more attractive to your customers. So we have a couple of the different designs out here. You have your Bon Appetit, which is a black paper with some different food items on it. So it'd be great for a cafe kind of setting if you're changing up your menu constantly, right? And you can see it's a nice kind of craft colored paper, and it's got a grease-proof lining on it that makes it just a little bit slick, right? It's gonna help cut down on messes, right? And spills and grease and bleed through. And these can be used on items whether they're hot or cold, and they're safe to be put in the microwave. So it's also gonna make for fast cleanup. Over here on this end, we have the little mini burger design, which you can see just fun, cute, adorable burgers. So great if you're running a burger joint and you're doing lots of burgers and you need something to wrap them up. There's also the juicy and hot burger. We've got a nice kind of graphic Mexican agave design over here. So it's just a great kind of black on that craft agave design, perfect for wrapping up things like tacos, burritos, or anything else really. It's just a nice little striking image. And then we've got our California sunset, which could work for a ton of different things, right? There's the great little cup of joe here that's fantastic for cafes, whether you're doing pastries, paninis, subs, or sandwiches. And then we've got our little sexy lips over there on the end. So in addition to being able to wrap food items up, these are also great for doing things like lining baskets or trays, if that's how you're serving your food items, or even lining to-go boxes. If you're using some of those craft boxes, putting a little liner in there can help keep things from soaking through, bleeding through, getting grease spots on the outside. So these are fun, versatile wraps that can help add those finishing touches, that little extra bit of branding onto your products, and make for an enjoyable, pleasant, and festive experience for your customers.